also willing to send bulk WhatsApp messages to your customers or leads informing about the new offers or new product launch on WhatsApp without getting blocked and using a free and safe method, then this video is definitely for you. Here we are going to learn how you can set up WhatsApp broadcast to send bulk WhatsApp messages, that too for free, to all your contacts. So here on my screen you can see a WhatsApp message that I want to send for the new offers on my skincare brand. And here I want to send this WhatsApp message to all these contacts whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. So now here, instead of sending the message one by one manually, I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want to demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So you can access. So if you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow. So we are going to access the feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards the broadcast, let me tell you that I've created a message template using which I'm going to send this bulk WhatsApp messages. So here I've created this template message inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here if you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so here let me show you the template that I've already created. Under this template section, here you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates, and here you can see the multiple templates that I have with different names. So in this case, I'm going to use my template that I have with the name skincare message. So this is the message that I've drafted, and I've attached the image with my message as well. Here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the WhatsApp messages. If you want to learn how you can create this template process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel for the same. Alright, now once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section, and here in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the Add Broadcast button, and here it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly, select the type as broadcast campaign. Here let's give a name to our broadcast. I have given as new skincare offers. Let's move forward. Then comes the audience part. So here if you have an existing contact list, select the same from the drop down, or if you want to add new contacts to whom you want to send this WhatsApp broadcast, then you can upload a CSV file data for that contacts in bulk. So like as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, so I need to download this data in a CSV file first in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, and then I can simply upload the file over here. For now, I'm going to use an existing contact list that I already have. Here you can select multiple lists as well. I have selected single only. Then comes the refine audience option. Using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts. And not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having a 24-hour active conversation window. Alright, then comes the message type. Here you can see two options. First is pre-approved template message, and the other one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select this particular option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, and here I'm going to select the message template that I have already created. Let me select that. Alright, so this is the message, and here I'm going to upload a media for the same. And with this, we have successfully selected our template over here. You can make this message personalized by adding variables. For now, I've used the generic one. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast message. Here I'm going to add my contact name, and here we are going to add my number. And then we are going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly a new WhatsApp message has been received with exactly the same message. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then here comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. So basically, by turning on this button, you can retry to send the same WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts within a specific time period. For now, I'm going to turn it off, and then we're going to click on this add broadcast. It says broadcast name is already in use, so what we are going to do is we are going to change our broadcast name for now, and then we are going to click on this add broadcast. You can see we have successfully scheduled our broadcast over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend this broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting a resend option available over here as well. Alright, so with this, we have successfully learned how you can send the bulk WhatsApp messages for free using WhatsApp broadcast. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.